Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I will show you how to quickly unsubscribe from junk mail using a new built-in Gmail tool on both your phone and computer. If your inbox is flooded with clutter, you no longer need to open every single email to search for hidden unsubscribe links. Instead, log into your Gmail account and look at the left-hand navigation sidebar. Click on the More option to expand your folder listings, scroll down, and select the Manage Subscriptions tab. Gmail will instantly generate a clean central dashboard showing all your active marketing lists, neatly sorted by the most frequent senders alongside their recent email counts. To remove yourself from any list, simply click the Unsubscribe button next to the sender name and confirm the pop-up. Gmail handles the request automatically in the background, routing any future messages from that sender straight to your spam folder. And that is it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I will see you in the next one.